Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I just woke up now, and outside it looks like this. And all night it was raining very heavily, and now also I can see the clouds. So it might rain for 2 to 3 days more. And I'm going to start my day with a glass of hot water. And every day my morning drink will be different. Sometimes I take lemon water, sometimes apple cider vinegar. As I woke up late today, I'm going to have only plain hot water, and then I'm going to start my day. No one woke up yet. I really like this peaceful time. I always want to wake up before everyone does so that I can have that pin drop silence morning. So I got milk packets from outside. I will heat this milk and I'm going to make one strong cup of coffee for myself. While my coffee is getting ready, I am unloading the dishwasher. Every day my routine is like that. I unload the dishwasher and I put a load of laundry, but today I am not going to do any laundry because of the cloudy weather. Every day I use dishwasher twice, once after lunch and once after dinner. If I miss any of this cycle, the next cycle is going to be a disaster. So I make sure that I won't miss this routine. My husband also woke up now, so I'm making 2 cups of coffee. I'm more of a chai person than coffee, but today I don't have tea powder. I forgot to order that online, so I'm going to settle with coffee today. And whenever I make coffee, I definitely do this frothing thing. I really like this one. Whenever I'm having my first cup of tea or coffee, I prefer to sit down at one place and have it in peace. I don't want to roam around and do any multitasking at this time. So I'm checking my Kindle. I ordered a couple of books yesterday. I am checking whether they got downloaded or not. Yesterday it was raining heavily and internet was a little bit low, so I was not sure whether they got downloaded or not. I really like reading books and I am setting up a small library at home. For that purpose, once in a while, I'll be ordering some books. And in Kindle as well, I'll be ordering some books because it's so easy and lightweight and easy to carry around. So I have many books in Kindle as well. After my coffee, I came to kitchen again to make breakfast. Today I'm making poha. Every day it's different. Sometimes idli, dosa, upma, uttapam, poha or oats. It changes every day. So I'm making poha today and my son is going to crib around but he has to eat. I'm on diet. I generally eat oats, but after COVID days, I realized that our Indian food is really good for health. So I'm eating everything in moderation now. I used to eat only oats in the morning, but now I'm eating everything, and especially the fermented kind of breakfasts are really good for health. So we have increased consumption of idli and dosas. Now breakfast is done. I'm going to serve and later I'll think about lunch. Mostly I make two curries like dal and curry or sambar or curry, that kind of stuff. So today also I'm going to make two curries. I didn't decide yet, but after eating breakfast I'm going to decide and start lunch as well. This is our breakfast and we'll have breakfast in peace and then I have to start household chores. After that I did vacuuming. Sometimes I do with the broom as well, depending on how much time I have and my comfort, and if my husband is on calls and if my son is in class, I don't use the vacuum, I use broom. I decided to make cucumber dal and tinda fry. Dal I already soaked half an hour before itself, and then I have cut one cucumber and added to this dal. I'm going to add some tomatoes and green chilies as well, and then I'll add some turmeric and chili powder, and then I'll give 3 whistles. It's like normal dal, it's not something different, but I have seen that cucumber dal is especially made in South India only, so that's why I briefly shared how we make it. It is always recommended to soak dal before cooking. It is good for health and digestion. While dal is cooking, I washed tinde and I removed the edges, and then I started cutting. It's so irritating to cut tinde with knife. It takes lot of time, so I use this chopper. It's really useful and time saving. I took almost 5 minutes to cut half kg of tinde. I purchased this from Amazon long back, but this is really a lifesaver. As soon as I finish breakfast and cleaning, I immediately start making lunch. I don't want to wait and cook in the afternoon because by 12 o'clock my lunch should be ready, and I really don't want to stand long hours in kitchen because I have editing work and I have to upload videos. I have other work too. So as soon as I finish my lunch, I can sit in peace and I can finish my work. Whenever I am doing fries, I generally steam the vegetables for 5 to 6 minutes so that they consume less oil and they are going to cook faster. And meanwhile, I took shower and came back and I made rest of the lunch. And I made rice for my family, and I made quinoa for me, and quinoa, dal and tinde fry. This is my lunch today. And I had lunch in peace while watching Friends in Netflix. After lunch, immediately I loaded dishwasher and I cleaned the dishes. Otherwise, it's going to be lazy and this will be postponed. And by dinner time, big load of dishes will be there. So I finish after lunch immediately. I had only half load of dishes, but still I loaded and I finished cleaning. Lunch always makes me very lazy. If I sit, I'm not going to get up. I know about that. So without sitting, I started loading dishwasher, and after this I can sit for some time because I don't have anything else to do till evening chai time. When we don't have house help, it's not good to postpone anything because at the end of the day we have to do everything and the work will be doubled and frustrations will start. So it's my personal experience, so that's why I do the work then and there. Hey guys, this is after lunch. I loaded dishwasher and everything is done. I don't have house help right now, so I'll be busy from morning till lunchtime, and after that I get to have 1 to 2 hours for myself. I just opened one Amazon package and this book arrived. The Silent Widow by Sidney Sheldon. I'm a big fan of Sidney Sheldon books. I already read all these books from library, but now I am ordering for my home library. I just want to collect all these things. Yesterday I ordered bunch of books, few for Kindle and few paperbacks. So I'll be getting one book per day. So I'll be enjoying. So now I'm going to relax with my book and I'm going to end this vlog. Please do subscribe and please give a big thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.